Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're gonna test this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. It comes to us like a grinder not working, suspicious in the beginning. The switch here, then actually it wasn't the switch, it was the whole motor broke and it's like burned. So I had to replace the whole grinder. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. Maybe see how. Put it on 8. Needs calibration, so I need to make it like more fine. I'm gonna put it in the 6. This is perfect, but it gives more grind, but it looks perfect. So let's get this little bit and a double shot. Actually, I prefer to leave that stuff for the customers. So because this is different from person to person. That's perfect, but it's still like giving more coffee. Put it on 5. Or even 4. I run out of the beans. So yeah, I add more beans on it. Yep. This is perfect. Okay, double shot. Let's go ahead from this side. It looks amazing. So also this one needs calibration because it's different from person to person. It needs to reprogram to make it less, but maybe the customer, it comes like us, like this way, so the customer needs this amount. But also still, like, look at the thick crema. Everything works perfect. So let's go ahead and test even the steamer. This is the hot water. Works good. The steamer. Done from this side. It takes a little bit until it's get hot and give us steam.
Okay, let me just explain a bit better.
So also all the functions work perfect on this machine. Okay, thank you for watching.